Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to do another stitch. I'm not sure what to call this one because I've never seen it anywhere with a title of what it's called written down. So I'm just going to call it like an open moss stitch. And for anyone that's interested, this wool that I'm using, it's Peyton's Fab double knit. I bought, I think it was about 3 balls of this for, I was doing coasters and things like that. And I usually get Aldi's, usually the packs of 4 with 400-gram balls. But I just wanted some odd colours, odd balls and that. And this cost twice as much as Aldi's. It was actually £1.99 a ball. And Aldi's was £3.99 for the 400-gram balls. But since I've been using this yarn, I've found a lot of difference, and I like it. It feels a lot better than what the Aldi So Crafty is. And I think I'm going to have a look online and see if I can find it any cheaper than £1.99. But I don't mind paying the £1.99 for the ball, because I do like it. I think it's a lot nicer yarn altogether than Aldi's. So this is a pattern I'm going to do. It's another very simple pattern. It's just knit and plain stitches. And for this particular pattern, you need it's in multiples of 2, so you need an even number of stitches. Now I put 22 stitches on here because I want the same stitches at the start as what I have at the finish. And if you're doing a garment or anything in this, you need to know that it does come out very wide, and it is best to do a swatch before you start. Because I found this, I used to knit this for my kids when they were little, and I found when I knitted with it then that it did come out quite wider than the size I was actually doing. So I learned from experience to do a swatch before I started. So I will show you how to do this pattern. Now we've started off, there's 4 rows to the pattern, but the lot of 2 rows are more the same. There's 2 different kinds of rows and they're more or less the same, but just in different places. So we've started off with the knit. There's knit here, and I'm going to start off with 2 purl. That's 2 purl, and the next stitches are knit. I'm going to do 2 stitches over knit, and then you'll see where the longer number of rows, that's where you need to change your stitch. So this knit stitches, so I'm doing 2 purl over those knit stitches. And then 2 more knit stitches. And 2 purl stitches. And I need to pull some yarn out here. I do this every time. I should pull the yarn out before I start, and then I won't have to do this in the middle of knitting. So 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, and the last 2 stitches are 2 purl. And that's 1 row of the pattern. And now we're going to do, on the purl side, it's purl all the way across. There's no knit or purl, it's all purl. So it's quite an easy row, that one. You don't need to look to see where the stitches where you have to change stitches. It's purl all the way across. And I'm almost at the end of that row. That's 3 purl stitches. So that's the first 2 rows of the pattern. And now we're going to start the next pattern row. And because the purl stitches here are pretty close, we're going to do 2 knit. And then these stitches here, the purl stitches a lot further down, so it's 2 purl on this one. And that's it all the way across. It's 2 knit and 2 purl. Two knit and 2 purl. And the last 4 stitches, 2 purl and 2 knit. That's the 3rd row of the pattern. And then the 4th row, the same as the 2nd row, it's purl all the way across. And almost at the end of the row, the last 3 stitches. So there you have it. That's my open moss stitch. It's another nice easy to do pattern. So if you like my video and would like to see more, thumbs up and subscribe.